Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create and set buttons in a Windows Forms application using PowerShell. First, we need to load the libraries for our GUI components. We include the libraries required for our Windows Forms application. Next, let's create a new form that will serve as our application window. This line initializes a new form object. Now it's time to customize it. Let's give our form a title, which will help users understand what the application is about. Here, we're setting the title of the GUI. Titles are important for a user-friendly interface. Next, we will specify the size of our form to ensure it displays well on the screen. We define our form to be 300 pixels wide and 200 pixels tall. Now let's create a button that users can interact with. We create a new button object. This will serve as our clickable element. Next, we need to set the text that will appear on our button. This line assigns the text "Click Me" to the button. This helps inform users what will happen when they click it. Now we'll add our button to the form to make it visible. We place our button on the form. It's ready to be displayed. Finally, we can show our complete GUI with the button. The command "Show" dialog makes our form visible and holds it open until the user closes it. Let's review the entire code snippet we've developed today. Now let's execute the code to see our GUI form with the button displayed. And there you have it. You've created a basic Windows Forms application with a button using PowerShell. Experiment with different button labels and styles to expand your GUI skills.